Alrighty. So nothing yet, we're just going to wait, listen to some of the beeps. Haven't heard any telemetry warnings.
RF signal low.
Oh, there we go. There's our first one. Low signal.
RF signal low.
There's another one. We haven't got a critical yet or a telemetry lost.
Telemetry lost.
Oh, there we go. So that's maybe, I don't know, maybe 200 meters. We'll see if we can get it back.
Telemetry recovered. RF signal critical. Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered. Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered. Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered. RF signal low. Telemetry lost.
Alrighty.
Telemetry recovered.
Oh, we just recovered it.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered. RF signal low.
Wait and see when we lose it.
RF signal low. Telemetry lost.
Alrighty. So telemetry lost for the QX7. We got to about this traffic pole here. We did lose it quite a lot though.